Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for half-yearly exams for Class 11. First, you need to thoroughly understand your syllabus and the exam paper pattern. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to expect. Next, create a realistic study schedule, allocating specific time slots for each subject. Finally, prioritize topics based on their weightage and your personal strengths to optimize your efforts. This structured approach is key to effective preparation. Once your plan is set, engage in active learning. Practice solving previous year's question papers under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. This helps improve speed and accuracy. Make concise notes and flashcards for quick revision of key concepts, making recall easier. Additionally, actively recall information by explaining topics aloud to yourself. This reinforces understanding and identifies gaps in your knowledge. Consistent revision is crucial for retaining information. Regularly revisit all subjects to reinforce your understanding and prevent forgetting. Beyond academics, prioritize your well-being. Ensure you get adequate sleep, about 8 hours, for optimal brain function and concentration. Also, remember to take short, frequent breaks during study sessions to avoid burnout and maintain focus throughout your preparation period. As exam day approaches, avoid the temptation to cram new topics. Focus instead on solidifying what you already know. Trust in your preparation and stay calm and confident. Remember, a clear mind performs best under pressure. For those looking to streamline their home life while studying, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.